Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I'm going to make a video on the topic how to check readability score statistics of content. We all know how considerably essential communication is in today's world. So if you are vague or uncertain while interacting in person, it is quite possible for the other person to beg your pardon or simply ask you to repeat. But this is not feasible in the case of writing, as all these precautions should be taken beforehand only. You need to write your content in such a way that the reader will understand what you are planning to say. This is where readability comes into the picture. Readability can assist you with conveying your message such that it is clear and straightforward. Next is instantly the question arises why readability is vital. Focusing on high readability enhances the probability that the audience will obviously comprehend your thinking and views. High clarity reduces misinterpretation and allows the reader effectively to handle the data that you have shared without exhausting a great deal of energy. Next is readability score. Basically, readability score provides the reader a rough idea of which grade reader group his content will be targeting. The score distinguishes an evaluation level estimate to the quantity of long periods of education as individuals had. How readability score is measured. Most equations ascertain readability score dependent on estimations, for example, the quantity of long words, word length, the quantity of rare words, sentence length, separation of heading and subheading, active and passive voice sentences, max length of the paragraph, transition words. Next is how to check readability score statistics of content. The first one is Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word and open your article. In the ribbon section at the top, you will see review option. Select it. Then select the very first option, that is spelling and grammar option. Once this option is selected, it will check your whole document and help you correct all your grammatical errors. Next is Yoast SEO plugin. Yoast SEO plugin improves your specialized SEO by dealing with a ton of specialized things behind the scenes. Furthermore, the module assists you with improving your content SEO by assisting you with setting a key phrase and advising you precisely how you can advance your article. Next is Google Docs. Unfortunately, the readability feature has been removed by Google from the Docs a few years back, but you can use the word count feature that provides you with the total number of characters, words also. Next is Grammarly. Since the Grammarly editor utilizes a 0 to 100 readability viewing scale, the Grammarly editor assists you with improving your report's comprehensibility and improves your composing general speaking. Last but not the least, conclusion. In this video, I have discussed what exactly readability is and how much it is important to have a readability score of above 60. Readability score depends on the list of factors and I have mentioned all of them in my video and also where you can check the readability. So do try any one of the above platforms and compose such content that will help you to reach a huge audience. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.